The Philippine National Police, or PNP, has identified the two members of a criminal syndicate as suspects in the fatal shooting of vlogger Alicia Lipata, who was gunned down by riding in tandem attackers in Caloocan City last July 17. Ryan Lisigas tells us more as authorities launch a hot pursuit operations to track them down.
In the early hours of Friday, July 17, vlogger Alicia Lipata was shot by riding in tandem gunmen in front of their house inside a subdivision in Barangay 171, Caloocan City. The vlogger died on the spot, while her live-in partner was injured. The Philippine National Police, or PNP, has already identified the two suspects. According to PNP Public Information Office Acting Chief Police Colonel Allen Reyco, the two suspects are members of a criminal syndicate. The investigation also indicates that they were allegedly hired to kill the victim.
Honest to goodness police work na investigation, backtracking, forward tracking, as well as yung talking to witnesses, gathering of evidence. Lahat po ito pinagsama-sama natin until such time na identify nga po natin kung sino mismo yung mga gumawa.
The PNP has launched a hot pursuit operation to track down the two suspects, one of whom has been found to be facing multiple criminal cases.
We are already readying the case to be filed against these two. Yung pong dalawang na-identify na natin na mga salarin. At pinoprofile na rin po natin sila kung ano po ang kanilang mga nagawa noon. Yung isa po ay meron na pong patong-patong na kaso, so everything will be given. We cannot give specific details as of now as para hindi po ma-compromise ang ating operations.
The motive behind the killing remains unclear. However, the PNP said it is looking into all possible angles, including personal disputes and the victim's work. The victim was known as a political vlogger.
Kino-confirm pa po natin lahat kung ano yung of course we're sifting through all her yung tawag po natin diyan, yung vlogs, yung mga statements niya, and of course we're talking to the family para po makapakuha tayo ng mas complete na picture dito, whether there was actual threats, ilan ito, at saan nanggaling ang threat, at sa paniwala nung mismong tao na napaslang nga ay sino ang gumagawa ng threat sa kanya na to.
The PNP is also determining who ordered the killing. Ryan Lisigas for The Nation.